Hey guys, welcome back. So in recent time, I'm getting like few questions in my WhatsApp from my college mates, from my school mates. So like everyone asking me whether it's important to internship, whether it's important to internship first year, second year. So in today's video, I just want to cover those questions, guys. So why internship is important as a college student? So why as a college student you should prefer internship in first year itself? So why as freshman student internship is very important, guys. So I'm going to cover all these questions in this video, guys. So reason because I'm making video because especially the final year students. Especially first year students, finalists, they have certain kind of doubts in their mind, whether to internship, whether to focus on placements. So recent times I got it from a few of my friends, my classmates, they have worry about whether I need to prepare for placements. So I just want to make sure to answer those questions, guys. So I got around 20 questions in my Instagram, so I'm just going to answer those all questions, guys. So the first question I would like to address in this video, guys, so is the internship very important for college students? The answer is, guys. So in my opinion, so not in my opinion, generally the experienced person, the students who having graduated in college, they will be saying yes of internship, guys. So the first reason why I'm saying internship important is, guys, so when you're applying for internship, you'll get experience about how company runs, what kind of things will company do at workplace. So how the people will treat as employees out there, how the management works on financial assets, and how the management takes place the projects and the clients, how they complete all kind of works, guys. So you'll get a better understanding of the companies. So rather than focusing on the final year placement projects, final year placement, you can just apply for internship. You'll get good experience of how company deals with the employees, guys. So the first thing I would like to say. The second thing, guys, you get how to manage your time. I have seen students they can't able to manage the time only on academic, guys. So in my case, I used to manage my academic, I used to manage YouTube channel, I used to manage my own startup. So I used to manage internship, research internship. Recently I've been going to foreign Canada to pursue my higher studies. So I just have how to 5 things in my life right now doing. So that's the reason, guys. So if you're a student, you just need to have capability to manage all the things in your life, guys. So I feel like if a person doing internships, so that they can able to know how to manage time, how can able to talk with people, how to get attraction in public audience. So it's going to helpful for your future, guys. So why because I'm saying that, so I have seen students, even some of my seniors, so once they graduate college, they used to feel bad of themselves, right? Because they couldn't able to manage the time. So once they graduate college, they used to get placed in some MNC company like TCS and Wipro and Infosys. So once they get into the company, they couldn't able to manage times, all day-to-day activities of their life, and they couldn't able to manage time of the working on project for company, guys. So this is the main reason I would suggest you just need to apply internship as much as possible, guys. So the second reason which I felt in my life till now. The third reason, guys, you will be earning some extra bucks, guys. So I know engineering college students, they will be paying around 10 lakhs for the college for 4 years. It's not going to worth, I know, but we just need a degree for our pursuing things for upcoming to have betterment life. We just need a paper of degree, guys. So for example, we just invest in 10 lakhs. So imagine, guys, you have 2 person or class, person A, person B. So person A is doing internship, he's just earning around 10k per month. Person B is just not doing anything, he's just sitting at home watching television serials, watching all kind of stuff. So he just even not doing anything, guys. He just learning all kind of academic purpose. He just vomiting those things in exams. So take a difference, guys. The person is focusing academics and focusing on financial life, focusing on the learning new things. He even not even to able to cope up with the extra activity, guys. So when a person comes out of graduate college, he will have much of experience, guys, how to deal with people, how to act with these certain circumstances, situations. Then person B, so the person B life starts at that age, guys. So person A already have been seen everything in their life, so he will be having betterment to lead his life. Person B, after graduating, his life starts at that point, guys. So you just need to experience all kind of things. It's a time-based process, guys. So even one advantage of the person A, guys, so he'll be earning around 10k per month. He can able to use that money on this data activity. If you want to get some books, he can able to get using that money instead of asking parents. If you want to go out to chill out with friends, he can able to use that money. So even if you want to invest in stock market, even able to invest that money without asking parents, guys. This is a big difference, guys. A person A, person A. That's the reason I just want everyone to apply for internship as much as possible, guys. You might be thinking first year is a good place to apply internship. I would say it's right time, guys. So whenever I step in college, just apply for internships. So it might be any kind of internship, guys. So recently I did an article in Quora, like a person from VIT, I guess. So he's just like second year, so he's a junior for me. He's just earning around 60K, guys. I'm working as freelancing. So I don't know how many people know about freelancing. If you want to make on separate on freelancing, comment in comment box. I'll try to make video on happen, guys. So on freelancing, we're just earning on 60K on that freelancing thing, guys. The work which you're going to that person is doing is about designing Canva, guys. So just used to design thumbnails up for YouTube channels. So just design those things. He's just on 60K, guys. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. It's not about the coding. It's not about application. It's not about the accounts. It's not stock market analysis, anything, guys. It's just about the even like some simple things like Figma design, Canva designing. You can able to earn like huge amount, guys, so which you won't be getting after graduation too. These are 3 reasons I felt like internship very important, guys. So like even I got a question on Instagram saying that he's a first year student is the best way to get internship. So guys, remember one thing, guys. So intern companies won't be looking for a person who are like advanced level, like who are good at that pro. They won't be like looking at the pro stuff, guys. They just want a basic person who can able to tackle all kind of things, who know the basic stuff. That's more than enough for intern, guys. So that's the reason whenever you step into college, just start applying for non-technical intern like data entry, designing, Canva and Figma. So if you are good at video editing, just apply for it, guys. So once you get depth knowledge about the domain, like let's say if you're CSE, like coding, if you're EC, if you're IoT. So once you get deeper knowledge, so not deeper knowledge, if you know the basic, how to run those kind of things, how to implement, where to implement, how to use those kind of stuff. So if you have a basic knowledge, you can apply after you get basic knowledge, guys. So before having basic knowledge, don't ever apply for the technical knowledge, guys. You can go for non-technical, you earn some money out there, invest your money in some courses, invest money in stock market, mutual funds and bitcoins, which is going to be helpful for, guys. This is what I'm trying to say for starting videos. So still there are people like especially tier 3 college students, they are not listening to the advice of elder people, guys. Trust me, guys, you will have a better life if you're planning for internship, guys. So this is what I want to convey in this video. I hope I just convey each and everything, guys. I hope this video helps you, guys. Do subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram, do subscribe my channel, guys. It keeps motivation to do more videos. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.